Quezon City House Solon Representative Bong Suntay's Ann Curtis analogy was sexist and sexually harassing because it drew pushback from just about every woman or female who weighed in on it. Had he just come clean and apologized since the stand by my statement and taken out of context clause, he would have been spared the avalanche of flack and the latest ethics complaint filed against him, as our Maryvel Custodio reports.
The House of Representatives has the Ethics and Privileges Committee to investigate the alleged sexist remark of Quezon City 4th District Representative Bong Suntay, which drew criticism for being disrespectful for women.
Ang babae ay hindi biro, hindi rin siya pantasya, at ang dignidad ng kababaihan ay hindi kailanman dapat maging katatawanan sa loob ng Kongreso. Madam Speaker, may I respectfully review all what happened. Request the Majority Floor Leader to refer this matter to the Committee on Ethics and Privileges to conduct hearing at the earliest possible time.
In support of congressional action, the Gabriela Women's Party and women's rights advocates filed an ethics complaint against Representative Suntay today.
Nandito tayo para suportahan ang ethics complaint na ito ng mga leader kababaihan para mas mapalakas natin yung panawagan ng pananagutan. At itong mga leader kababaihan na ito, nagpapakita yung mga kababaihan, naghihirap na nga sa araw-araw, nakakaranas pa ng iba't ibang forma ng diskriminasyon at abuso. Doble-doble ang pahirap.
The controversy stemmed from a hearing of the House Committee on Justice related to the impeachment complaints against Vice President Sara Duterte. During the hearing, Suntay used an example of a popular TV celebrity and film actress to explain how expressing one's imagination alone should not be a basis for legal accountability.
We do not objectify women. We should not objectify women or members of the other genders for that matter. And if the reason he said that was because he was giving an analogy, then it was a very wrong, offensive analogy. Ang dami naman pong pwedeng sabihin to be an example for what he was saying, for what he was defending.
The House Committee on Justice immediately ordered that the lawmaker's offensive statement be stricken from the official record of the hearing.
The analogy might have been in bad taste and were taken in the wrong context. If there was malice deduced from that statements, I wish to apologize dun sa mga datamaan at nasaktan.
Baka namang hindi siya sincero eh. Kasi hindi niya ibinawi yung sinasabi niya na ano daw, dapat na i-treat ni Miss Curtis na compliment yung kanyang sinabi. So pagpapakita lang ito ng kanyang attitude, yung pagtingin niya talaga sa kababaihan.
Suntay said he will respect the investigation and comply with whatever decision the ethics panel will make. Vel Custodio for the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.